So let's quickly review some questions from S block and then talk a little bit about environmental chemistry. There are so many changes in the environment in last 3 days. Hyderabad is almost inundated in many parts. Uh, is there anybody who got affected because of the rain? Hello?
No, sir.
Luckily, nobody affected. But many people got trapped in water in areas like Charminar. Nobody is there in Charminar here in this class. Hello? Near
No, sir.
Toli Chowki, near Charminar, so many areas got inundated. Even in Nizambeta, Bandaru layout,
Talab Katta.
so many places got inundated. Okay. And for me, yesterday midnight, we got the internet connection at about 2 o'clock. I was more worried whether I can take your class today. They rectified it by midnight, luckily. So we are looking at, now we are looking about that green chemistry today. Uh, Flame color given by salts of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are. Can you think of answer to this question?
Crimson red, yellow,
Red,
violet,
yellow,
red,
violet.
violet, blue.
Lithium gives crimson red, sodium gives yellow,
Yellow,
potassium gives lilac
violet,
or violet, rubidium gives ruby
red,
violet
violet,
or red violet, cesium gives blue
blue,
violet. Using these colors, one can identify the salts. Color of sodium in ammonia solution is
blue,
deep blue. It is because of sodium in ammonia gives sodium ions surrounded by X ammonia molecules and free electrons surrounded by Y ammonia molecules. These are called solvated electrons. The solvated electrons, the electrons surrounded by ammonia solvent, cause blue color to sodium in ammonia. The nature of this material in magnetic field is it is paramagnetic, weakly attracted by magnet. However, if you heat it, what happens? The
it converts to
electrons
diamagnetic solution.
electrons get pooled together. This is called clusters of electrons are formed, because of which the color of it will become yellow and it becomes diamagnetic. If you completely evaporate, then what happens? On complete evaporation, you get back the sodium metal. If there are no impurities, if there are impurities, if impurities are there, impurities are there, if impurities are there, the sodium reacts with ammonia to give what is called NaNH2 sodamide, a powerful base and H2 gas. The NaNH2, KNH2 are called very powerful bases, million times powerful than NaOH. So this is a point we have to look at. So answer to the question, sodium when dissolved in ammonia gives a deep blue color due to solvated electrons. Now, so we answered first question from S block review. We answered second question from S block review. We are very clear that originally deep blue color solution is paramagnetic.
Given by source of
Flame color given by salts of lithium have crimson red color. Sodium salts have yellow color. Potassium salts give lilac or violet color. Rubidium salts give the ruby violet or red violet. Cesium salts give blue violet. The characteristic flame color indicates the metal in question. The color of sodium in ammonia is deep blue due to solvated electron and its magnetic nature is paramagnetic. On heating, it makes clusters of electrons that gives yellow-orange color and then that becomes diamagnetic. on further heating, if you completely evaporate all ammonia, it gets back the sodium metal. However, if there are impurities, you get a compound called soda amide. Now, generally down a group, the densities of elements increase. Generally, in any case, if you take 17th group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, down a group densities increase. If you take oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, down a group densities increase. But in 1A group, lithium has no doubt lower density than sodium, but sodium density is more than that of potassium. It means potassium has unusually lower density. The order of density, lithium is less than sodium, sodium is greater than potassium. Potassium is less than rubidium, rubidium is less than cesium. The potassium has unusually low density because of the presence of empty d orbitals. If you consider the positive ions Li plus, Na plus, K plus, Rb plus, Cesium plus, in gaseous state as you go down, size will increase, no doubt. In aqueous solution, if I put, in water solution, if I put, the Li plus ion has a greater tendency to get hydration. Hydration means it is surrounded by water molecules. The ability to get hydrated surrounded by water molecules is highest for the smaller the ion, the greater is charge, greatest is hydration tendency. So in the first group, La plus ion aqueous is excessively hydrated. So its size is biggest. As the size of the hydrated lithium ion is biggest, even when you pass electric current, it has difficulty in movement. So electrical conductance of aqueous lithium ion is least in the first year group. When you compare with aqueous Na, aqueous potassium, aqueous rubidium, aqueous cesium, the aqueous lithium ion is biggest as it is excessively hydrated and it has least conductance. That's one idea. Second idea, the LiCl dissolves in organic solvent like pyridine. NaCl never dissolves. Ability to dissolve in organic solvents indicates covalent nature. So LiCl has more covalent nature.
केमिस्ट्री चल केमिस्ट्री आज अरबिक के सर नहीं है आज अरबिक केमिस्ट्री
Notice that basically 1A group elements make ionic compounds. They lose electron, make unipositive ions. Ionic compounds naturally dissolve in water. They don't dissolve in organic solvents like pyridine, carbon tetrachloride, etc. But LiCl is dissolving in pyridine also, showing it has a covalent nature. There are two types of compounds, ionic compounds, covalent substances. Covalent substances generally do not dissolve in water. But LiCl covalent substances do dissolve in organic solvents. LiCl is ionic, but still it dissolves in organic solvent like pyridine because LiCl has covalent nature. I am saying covalent nature, it is not covalent material. That lady has masculine nature, that lady has moustaches, that lady has a bird, that lady has chest like cricket ground. But she is a lady, but she has female characters. Notice, you talk of female character of a male character of a lady and female character of a gent, because that is thoda अजीब सा लगता है ना? I am saying that LiCl has covalent nature means originally it is ionic, but it has covalent nature. Sir, who will have more covalent nature? Again, we come back. The smaller ions, where the positive ion is small, where the positive ion has more charge, small size, more charge. And also cation which has 18 electrons in valence shell, like Zn plus 2, like Cu plus, like Hg plus 2, like Cd plus 2. All these ions which have 18 electrons in the valence shell, when they make compounds, they show more covalent nature. Mind you, if you look at LaCl, NaCl, KCl, RbCl, CCM chloride, the lithium ions are smallest. So lithium chloride has more covalent nature. Down the group, covalent nature is decreasing. They are all ionic, but covalent nature is there for LaCl. Sir, if you look at LaCl, BeCl2, AlCl3, SiCl4, which has more covalent nature, sir? Or which has more
LiCl.
covalent nature? Please notice, small size is one aspect, more charge is another aspect. Here Li has +1 charge, Be has +2 charge, Al has +3 charge, Si has +4 charge. And Si +4 is smallest. It is smaller than even Li+. Across a period, the atomic ionic radii decrease. So SiCl4 has more covalent nature. This is the order. In the 1A group chlorides, LaCl is king in covalent nature. But across a period, if you see, LaCl is less than, BeCl2 is less than, AlCl3 is less than, SiCl4 is covalent nature. So which has more covalent nature in this period?
Silicon
SiCl.
tetrachloride.
Excuse me, what did you say?
Silicon tetrachloride.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Really, SiCl4 is much more covalent. It is not at all ionic. Therefore, in 1A group, we are looking at some questions. The flame color we have seen, color of sodium and ammonia we have seen, order of densities, we have noticed that potassium has unusually low density because of the empty d orbitals. Which M plus ion in 1A group has biggest size in aqueous solution? In aqueous solution. Which ion has biggest size, sir? Li plus. Why LiCl dissolves in pyridine means the LiCl is ionic, but it has more covalent nature.
खुला खुला है कैसा लिखते पूरा भरा भरा के खाली एक दो खाना खुला खुला है वही तो मैं को पढ़ो बोलूं मैं पढ़ता तो ना को
Sir, if you want to talk, I will pause. I will wait for you to complete your dialogue. I have no problem. So when the class is going on, you want to talk to others, you want to do extracurricular activities, that is a wonderful idea, but we are wasting our time that way. Why LiCl dissolves in pyridine, we have answered. Within a cell, cytoplasm, within the cell, potassium ion concentration is more. Outside the cell, sodium ion concentration is more. Within our living system, the sodium-potassium ion gradation that is responsible for transmission of signals from brain to body parts. That is the biological activity of sodium-potassium ions. Now, superoxides, anything that has O2 minus ion, O2 minus ion is called superoxide ion. The lithium has very less tendency to make superoxide. Sodium has somewhat marginal tendency to make superoxide. KO2 superoxide is stable. Rubidium superoxide is very stable. Cesium superoxide is stablest. It means the stability of superoxides increased down the group, and superoxide has an interesting property. If you put oxide in water, you get only hydroxide. If you put a peroxide in water, you get a hydrogen peroxide on NaOH. If you put superoxide in water, you get
Oxygen
the
gas
oxide,
plus H2O2 plus
oxygen
NaOH.
gas, all the three you get. So that is a point of difference. Also, superoxides are colored. They are colored because they have,
Yellow.
the potassium oxide has orange color because they have unpaired electrons. Anything that has unpaired electron is colored. So this is one traditional question. Normally that is a IIT based question too. So why lithium Cl is dissolving in pyridine? Within cell cytoplasm, which ions are more, stability of superoxides we have examined.
Increased.
Aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. If you look at aqueous solution of sodium chloride table salt is neutral. It is neither acidic nor basic. But the aqueous solution of Na2CO3 is basic or alkaline. Both are same. And pH is more than 7. Any basic solution has pH more than 7. Why its pH became more than 7 means the carbonate ion reacts with water, breaks the water to give undissociated carbonic acid and OH minus ions. Anything that gives OH minus ions makes solution basic.
Base.
Therefore, the carbonate anion reacts with water called hydrolysis. Anion hydrolysis always makes solution basic or alkaline. Notice, any solution becomes basic or alkaline due to anion hydrolysis. Hydro means water, lysis means breaking. Sir, anion hydrolysis makes solution basic. Cation, if it undergo hydrolysis, can make solution acidic. But the first group, second group cations do not prefer to undergo hydrolysis. Are we very clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, hydration is different from hydrolysis, sir. Lithium ion undergo excessive hydration, water ions surround it. But lithium ion is not breaking water. Breaking water is called hydrolysis. You understand? So lithium ion is excessively hydrated. It is not bringing about hydrolysis. But some ions can bring about hydrolysis. Some ions, cations, anions can bring about hydrolysis. If anion brings about hydrolysis, solution become basic. If cation brings about hydrolysis, solution become acidic. That's the point. Are you very clear about this? LaCl and MgCl2, the materials which absorb moisture are called
Deliquescent.
hygroscopic. If they simply absorb water and remain as solids, they are called hygroscopic. If they absorb water from air and become solution, liquid, then they are called deliquescent. LaCl, MgCl2 are deliquescent.
Adi, Amikon me body nai hai.
Sir, someone is there with the name of JL41BOTI. Just kick him, sir.
It's
What is
not
it?
in our bag.
What is his name, sir? What is his name?
JL41BOTI.
Boti. GL41 Boti.
Okay, I'm seeing.
GL41.
Why to do all these things, gentlemen?
Sir, I think he exit.
He did exit, huh? Congratulations. But is he from our class?
No.
No, sir.
We really don't know. But you see, I'm telling you, people have this tendency to create a nuisance and enjoy. This is called sadism. We do have that, but we should minimize that, I tell you. Some Muhammad is joining. Should I admit him? JL40? Okay, I'm admitting. Anyway, sir, we have looked at it. So, question number 10. Difference on heating nitrates of 1A group and 2A group metal salts. Sir, 1A group nitrate on heating gives only oxygen. KNO3 on heating gives KNO2 plus oxygen. First group nitrates on heating give nitrite and oxygen. That's all. Second group nitrates on heating gives, very important, they give the metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. CaNO3 taken twice on heating gives CaO, NO2 plus oxygen. First group metal nitrates on heating give metal nitrite, KNO2 plus oxygen. Second group metals on heating give metal oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. That is a point of difference. So these are 10 questions which we made a review on 1A group S block. Now we have to look at the environmental chemistry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your doubts. What is your doubt, sir?
Sir, we did not go through hydrogen and its compounds.
Really? We did not revise it, put it in that way. So tomorrow, in the next class, we try to revise hydrogen and its compounds. Now we have revised S block. Is that fine?
Yes.
Now we have
Yes.
to go back our environmental chemistry. See, in the recent floods of Hyderabad, have you noticed that so many places got inundated? Musi River was flooding with water that has a lot of froth, lot of surf, lot of, what do you call? You know what is froth?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the froth? What do you call froth in Urdu?
In Urdu, I don't know, sir.
In Telugu,
Froth
it
is
is
like
called
air
as
bubbles.
air bubbles, yeah. So coming back, I was wondering why this froth has come. And I don't normally Musi water is stinking like anything, dirty water. And why the flood has come? Because of the pollution we created in the soil, in the water. What pollution you created? You occupied all the places where the ponds are supposed to be there, where the nallas are supposed to be there. You have not allowed any place for water to move. Therefore, the water has emerged into your cellars, into your colonies. Because Hyderabad is a place reputed for ponds and around it. All the ponds were occupied. 400 ponds were supposed to be there around Hyderabad. Now there are 30. The Hyderabad was originally designed for 6 lakhs people 400 years ago. Now it is accommodating 1.2 crores people. So the environment was thoroughly polluted. And now in chemistry, we are talking of green chemistry. What is green chemistry? Environmentally friendly chemistry is called green chemistry. Chemical practices where you don't want to leave pollutants into environment is called green chemistry. Suppose you want to make a chemical P. You start with A, convert A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, G to H, H to I, I to J, J to K, K to L, L to M, M to N, N to O, and you are converting 1 into P. There are so many steps. You want P, you started with A. All these fellows formed in between are called intermediates. The intermediates drain into environment, maybe into air, maybe into water, maybe into soil. They cause pollution. So minimizing the intermediary steps, if you can directly convert A into P in one step, We have minimized the pollution. And also use environmentally friendly materials instead of toxic materials. For example, you want to bleach when you are making a paper. When you are making paper, sometimes it gets very brown color and generally it gets very dark colors. You want to make white paper means you have to bleach, remove the dirt and color. To do that, earlier we were using bleaching powder, CaOCl2. The chlorine is a toxic chemical when left into environment causes nuisance. So instead of bleaching powder, nowadays we are using H2O2. H2O2 decomposes to give H2O and an acid oxygen that bleaches. Water is one of the products that is having no polluting effects. Therefore, today we are looking at green chemistry. How many minutes time is there, sir? Hello.
9 minutes.
Yeah.
9
We quickly
minutes.
scan what is
sir.
green chemistry. Very good, very good. We quickly scan what is green chemistry. The three green chemists were awarded Nobel Prize. They are these three scientists: Chauvin, Krebs, and Schoch. These three scientists were given Nobel Prize in green chemistry. Reason is, we will see first what is green chemistry. It is a well-known fact that self-sufficiency in food has been achieved in India since late 20th century. You see, in 1880, there is a great Bengal famine where 10 lakhs Indians died because they had no food. In India, whenever the crop fails, we used to starve and die like hell. No food, particularly I also know in my childhood, food was not so widely available. There were so many people who were starving for a square meal in 2 days. Today we are all enjoying one breakfast, one lunch, one dinner, some snacks, a lot of milk, so many things you are all enjoying. Can you imagine how it will be if we have to live without food for 3 days? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Notice that that's why the Islam prescribes that you should not waste the food. You should share the food. You should donate the food to the needy. Especially in Ramjan month, we do donate food to the needy. Yes or no?
Yes,
Notice
sir.
Yes,
that
yes, sir.
there is a big problem of food shortage in India that has been addressed by what is called Green Revolution of Swaminathan. In the Green Revolution, they used better type of seeds and also they used pesticides, fungicides, and also crop protection using fertilizers. But in the massive production of these pesticides, fertilizers, and fungicides, a lot of pollution has been caused. The water bodies got contaminated. But over exploitation of soil and excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides have resulted in the deterioration of soil, water, and air. And human beings became more greedy. They started accumulating more and more. People go on buying things whether they need it or not. You can see the people are strewn into malls to buy dress materials. I don't know. Some persons they keep 300 to 400 pairs. Ladies buy saris like anything. Or shoes, 200 pairs of shoes, 300 pairs of shoes, chappals. This excessive production and consumption created a lot of pollution in the environment. Is it possible for us to avoid unnecessary journeys outside? Is it possible to minimize the expenditure and live in one place? Yes, Corona taught us this lesson. It is possible. Now, notice all these pollution effects are very serious. People are getting unknown diseases and dying because of unknown diseases. The solution of this problem does not lie in stopping the process of development that has been set in, but to discover methods which would help in the reduction of deterioration. Deterioration means decreasing the quality. Deterioration means suppose a boy is having good habit when he is 4 years old, gets up in the morning, behaves decently, talks politely. When he gone to 10th class, he starts using filthy language. When online class is going on, he will show all possible pictures and he is totally indisciplined, not obeying what parents are saying, then we say his standards got deteriorated. Deterioration is going down. Notice the environment got deteriorated because of the excessive use of chemicals. Now, green chemistry is a way of thinking and is about utilizing the existing knowledge and principles of chemistry and other science to minimize the adverse impact on environment. Green chemistry is a production process that would bring about minimum pollution or deterioration to the environment. I think you understood what is deterioration. The byproducts generated during a process, if not used gainfully, add to the environmental pollution. So these processes are not only environmental unfriendly, but also cost ineffective. If you are going for old pests, new process is environmental friendly and it is cost effective. So utilization of existing knowledge base for reducing the chemical hazards along with the developmental activity. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, sir.
I think somebody wants to join now. See, that's a big problem. As people keep on joining, we are wasting our time, I tell you. Now we have less time. We have to hurry up and close this. So, sir, green chemistry aims at minimizing the steps, minimizing the pollution. Let us see the 4 headings you can expect in your IIT mains in this. Dry cleaning. You know what is dry cleaning, sir? Without using water, they clean your dress and give you.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you go for dry cleaning. In good olden days, for dry cleaning, they were using tetrachloroethene, Cl2C double bond C Cl2. But this is a big contaminant and it is supposed to cause cancer. Anything that causes cancer is called carcinogen. So the process of dry cleaning is nowadays not using the dichloroethene. Instead of chloroethene, you are using the liquefied carbon dioxide. So when you are using liquid carbon dioxide, you can have same dry cleaning, but CO2 liquefied cannot cause serious pollution like the tetrachloroethene. These days, H2O2 is used for the purpose of bleaching cloth. When the cloth is made in industry, it gets dirty. And earlier, we were using CaOCl2 bleaching powder for that purpose. But chlorine is a pollutant. Nowadays, we are using H2O2 because H2O2 cannot cause pollution. Even in paper industry, we are not using chlorine. We are using H2O2 so that is an environmentally friendly practice. Sir, you know about vinegar. Do you know about vinegar? Hello? Hello, vinegar.
Sir.
Have you heard its name? Vinegar is
Yes,
a
sir.
diluted CH3COOH, 8 to 10% solution. It is available in all your stalls and malls. One bottle of vinegar costs about 20 rupees. You use vinegar when you are preparing fish curry or chicken or so on. Vinegar is also used as a medicine to treat the sprain. I think you heard a nursery rhyme. Jock and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Have you heard it? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Jock and Jill went up the hill
Yes,
to
sir.
fetch a pail of water. Jock fell down and broke his crown. Jill came tumbling after to treat this sprain with vinegar and black pepper. Jill has come to treat this sprain with vinegar. Vinegar is diluted acetic acid that can be made from CH3CHO ethanol. The CH3CHO can be converted to CH3COOH called acetic acid. Diluted acetic acid is vinegar. Now, how to make CH3CHO? You can naturally make it from apples. You can make it from many other sources. But in industry, a petrochemical called ethene CH2 can be made to react with oxygen in presence of palladium or copper chloride in water. This is a one-step method and most modern method to get 93CHO acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde can be converted into many products including vinegar. So this step has no intermediate steps. So this is a neat question previously they asked. What happens when CH2 CH2 reacts with O2 in presence of palladium or copper catalyst in water? In one step you get acetaldehyde. It causes no pollution. So if the water is turbid, earlier we were treating it with chlorine. Even
Also tomorrow we are having chemistry class.
You have any class at 11 tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
But someone said that we have class tomorrow. That's why we are not sure, sir.
Okay, okay. Then we'll have class at same time 12. It did not rain at any place yesterday, no? You're all from Hyderabad.
What, sir?
All Hyderabadis. It did not rain at any place yesterday, no?
Yes, sir, but water was there, sir, at some places.
In the morning it rained a little bit, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In fact, I wanted to take a class yesterday. I was preparing. Then I got a message saying that no classes today, karke. Many institutes were running their classes yesterday, man. All of them gave holiday on Wednesday, but Thursday they were all working. I'll leave you at 1:10. Can I leave you at 1:10? Should I leave before?
Sir, before, sir, it
Before,
would be
sir.
late.
We will be late.
2 days we lost, man. What should I give in the paper? Then tomorrow's paper will be of addition, subtraction, and multiplication, man.
Sir, you can take in the afternoon, sir. Today we are not having RSS class.
I have my college class, I have your senior class afternoon. Where we stopped last column? Just go through locus. Hello, what all theory we wrote? Read, 2 minutes reading, fast. Read all the definitions. Locus is geometric figure expressed in algebraic language. Collection of points. Set of all points in a plane which satisfy a given condition or conditions. Now look here. Elimination of a parameter. First of all, what do you mean by a parameter? Parameter. Parameter means it takes constants and it keeps varying. Say theta is a parameter. He says, what do you mean by theta parameter? Theta is generally angle. Theta is generally angle. So what happens here? Theta can be 0. Theta can be pi by 2. Theta can be pi. Theta can be 3 pi by 2. Look at these values. Are they constants? Yes. Is it fixed or varying? It is varying. That's what parameter stands for. T is a parameter. What do you mean by T is a parameter? T will take values 1, 2, 3, half, 1 by 7. Need not be only positive. Minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 11, minus 1 by 20, 20. So on. A parameter means it takes constants, but it keeps varying. Now, finding locus by eliminating parameter is the question. Say locus of a cos theta, a sin theta represents dash. Look here. Locus of A cos theta, A sin theta represents dash. Now, A cos theta, A sin theta, you call A cos theta, A sin theta represents dash, where he will say theta is a parameter. Always eliminate parameter by some means or the other. By some means or the other, eliminate parameter. In this elimination, there is no rule. In this elimination, there is no standard rule. Eliminate by whatever means you can. Eliminate by whatever means you can. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Locus problems may, we always used to call h comma k, if you remember, a point. Therefore, what I will do is, let a cos theta comma a sin theta be equal to h comma k. What is your h is equals to? What is your h is equals to? Speak out, man. What is your h is equals to? What is your h is equals to? A cos theta. What is your k is equal to? A sin theta. Just think over. Just think over. Can you eliminate theta here by some means? Answer is yes. What is that means? H by A is cos theta. Bolo. K by A is sin theta.
Squaring on both sides.
Any relation between cos theta and sin theta so that theta gets eliminated? Yes. What is that? Sin cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. What is cos square theta? H by A whole square. Sin square theta K by A whole square. Cos theta के बदले में H by A, sin theta के बदले में K by A. Square and add. What does it gives you? H square by A square plus K square by A square equal to 1. LCM H square plus K square is equal to A square. बच्चे लोग, any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Can I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Locus में,
Yes, sir.
locus में, climax में, last में, आखिरी में, what we do? Replace h and k by x and y. So h के बदले में क्या लिखना? x, k के बदले में क्या लिखना? y. If you don't like first place only, you can call x, y and start. You can start the problem with x and y also. So what will you do now? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Come on, copy this. Can I take till 1 o'clock?
Sir, 12:45, sir.
Okay, then 12:40. Tomorrow, do one thing. If you are free at 11 o'clock, ping me at 11 o'clock so that we can, or you just put it in the group. अपना JL क्या group का नाम क्या है?
JL40 maths.
हाँ, JL40 maths group में डाल दो. 11 o'clock से. I am free anyhow. We'll start a bit early and I'll take longer time to work. 12:45 I will leave you today. But see to that you don't, jump off in the middle. Don't do that, man. In fact, if yesterday was working day, I would have informed all of you and we would have started today at 7:30 in the morning. Next week वही काम करेंगे. Since there was no class yesterday, I could not inform.
Completed, sir.
1 minute, sir.
So don't have the downloads.
Completed बोलते क्या थी sir?
Sir, I didn't.
Bracket में I will write parameter. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I wrote bracket में whatever I wrote comma करके जो भी letter लिखा, that letter stands for you are writing MCQ exam. We are preparing for MCQ exam. Time is very short for us. We should try to solve the problem as quickly as possible. Answer first one. Answer first one. They are all simple, man. Answer first one. A cos theta, comma B sin theta. Call this as H, call this as K. H by A is equal to K by B is equal to since cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, बच्चों लोग wherever possible I'll draw the figures. This is an ellipse. This is an ellipse. Shape of this curve. This is x square by a square. This is ellipse. How do you find the points where curve cuts x-axis? Curve cuts x-axis. Put y is equals to 0.
0.
Square by a square is equal to 1. X square is equal to a square. X equal to plus or minus a. This point a comma 0. This point minus a comma 0. Similarly, 0 comma b. 0 comma minus b. Next one.
X square by a square minus y
Square
square
by
by
a
b
square minus
square
y
equal to
square by
1.
b square equals 1.
Alpha is a parameter. A sec alpha, B tan alpha, H A, H by A sec alpha, A by B tan alpha, since sec square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. लोकस प्रॉब्लम्स में क्लाइमैक्स में आखिरी में लास्ट में क्या करना replace h and k by x and y. What does it represent? Geometry में shape of this curve. इस curve को मैंने क्या बोला? This is an ellipse. This curve geometry में is called hyperbola. क्या बोला? क्या बोला? Hyperbola. Hello? Hello? Where does this curve? 1 second, all of you. I hope whole class is looking at the screen. Look at your screens. Put y is equal to 0. X square by a square is equals to 1. X square is equal to a square. X equal to plus or minus a. But put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. Minus y square by b square equal to 1. Minus y square by b square equal to 1. What is y square is equal to? Minus b square. Y square equal to minus b square. Can a square be negative? Never. That's the reason why he is the curve. He is the curve. He is the curve. Cutting y-axis. No. Can clearly see no part of the curve cuts y-axis. It cuts only x-axis. This is minus a comma 0. चलो गाड़ी 3 महीने लेट, उसमें फिर 2 दिन छुट्टी। Third one. Can I write the answer? Third.
X square by a minus y square by b equal to 1. X
B,
square by a minus y square by b equal to 1.
it is not b man b square.
Yes, sir.
Shoaib, 2 बार b
Yes, sir.
बोला।
B square.
Third one, can I write answer? बच्चे लोग,
Yes,
can
sir.
I write the answer and leave?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one,
4ax equal to
4x
y
equal to
square.
y square.
y square equal to 4x। ज्योमेट्री में उसका नाम क्या है? पैराबोला।
Parabola.
Parabola.
क्या बोला?
Parabola.
क्या बोला?
Parabola.
Done. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
80 square कमा 280 क्या नाम देंगे? इसको बोलेंगे h, इसको बोलेंगे k। h is equal to 80 square, k is equal to 280, h by a is equals to, sorry, h by a is equal to t square, k by 2a is equal to t। क्या करना? सेकंड को लेके फर्स्ट में डालो। टेक सेकंड, सब्स्टिट्यूट इन फर्स्ट। टेक सेकंड, सब्स्टिट्यूट इन फर्स्ट means what? h by a is equal to t square, k by 2a whole square, h by a is equal to k square by 4a square. 1a will cancel off. What will I get? k square is equal to 4ah locus में, climax में, locus में, climax में क्या करते हैं? h gets replaced by x, k by y. What does it represent? Parabola. Shape of the curve is this.
C square is equal to xy.
Yes, sir.
हो गई।
Done, sir.
Fifth one,
C square is equal to xy.
Y equal to C square.
dt comma c by t. इसको h बोलो, इसको k बोलो. h is equal to ct. k is equal to c by d. What's the best thing you can do? What is h into k? ct into c by d will give you what? C square. xy is equal to c square. ये भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कर्व है ज्योमेट्री में इस कर्व को बढ़िया नाम देते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला. दिस इज कॉल्ड रेक्टेंगुलर हाइपरबोला.
Done, sir.
Anybody? Sixth one.
Square plus y square equals a square
A
plus
square
b square.
minus B square equal to
समान नुमेरल में आंसर दिए सो.
Saidur Rahman sir.
फैजुर रहमान. शाबाश शाबाश. Can I clear this off?
Sir.
Yes sir.
Squaring and adding given equations, we obtain, when you square first one on both sides, what you will get, man? X square equal to, right hand side, man, a square cos square theta d square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta. बच्चे लोग, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions? Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Look at this one again. Y square is equal to, bolo, a square sin square theta d square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Add them. These two will cancel off. X square plus y square equal to, from these two, what I can take common? A square cos square theta plus sin square theta. B square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Is theta getting eliminated? Yes. Next one.
X by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1.
I want all whole class to get the answer. Jaldi. Shall I start? Shall I start? बच्चों लोग आंसर आया? X by A, Y by B. So what is cos theta? What is sin theta? So what will you get? Cos square theta, sin square theta. This will be squared. This will be squared. Any doubts? Any questions?
No.
No, sir.
It's a sin cube theta, no, sir.
That's the reason why y by b whole power. Correct हो ना?
Y
Oh,
by
sorry.
a.
उधर भी है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct है? Now
Yes.
I can write this as x power 2 by 3
So it is squared on both sides.
oh cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 no man.
Yes, yes.
4-5 बार करे अब तक.
No, sir. I got confused in the second step, sir. X by 2 power 3, 2 by 3 whole power. I understood.
I'll write here since c square plus s square is equal to 1. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, eliminate p.
Sir, the answer is ax plus by is equals to a square plus b square.
कौन सा?
8th one.
And I don't know, man. I don't remember the answer. What is direct लिख दे दूँ या h के लिखूं? Direct लिख देंगे. X is equal to a plus bp. Y is equal to b minus a by p. X minus a is bp. Y minus a is minus a by p. Multiply कर देना. Multiply them. What is x minus a into y minus a? bp into minus a by p. Correct है?
X minus a into y minus b.
Yeah. I corrected. What will I get, man? X minus a.
Xy minus ay minus bx plus 2ab equals 0.
Correct है? Multiply xy minus bx minus ay plus ab Bring it here. xy minus bx minus ay plus 2ab is equal to 0. कोई शक?
No, sir.
Can I clear LHS?
Yes, sir.
सेंट्रॉइड को क्या बोलना? h कमा के. I repeat, centroid को what you should say? h कमा के. What's the parameter? t is the parameter. किसे भगाना है, किसे एलिमिनेट करना है, किसे थ्रो अवे करना है, किसे निकाल देना है, किसे फेंक देना है. What is that you have to eliminate? You have to eliminate parameter t. Locus of what we are interested? We are interested in locus of centroid. So call centroid as h comma k. Let g of triangle be h comma k. Then h comma k is equal to, apply centroid formula, eliminate t. I am waiting for the solution. Solution के लिए wait कर रहा हूं. What the answer? I'm waiting for the answer. Solution.
X square plus y square minus 2x plus 1 equals 13 by 9.
I don't know the. I just wrote the I wrote the numbers randomly, man. So I don't remember the answer. I should solve. बच्चों लोग वेट कर रहा हूँ. वेट कर रहा हूँ. हाँ. Should I? You should do, man. What is x comma k?
X square plus y square plus 2x minus 4 by 9 equal to 0.
3 plus 2 cos t plus by 3 comma बोलो 0 plus 2 sin t minus 3 cos t by 3. What will I get? Equate these two, cross multiply, bring it here. What you will get? 3x minus 3 is equal to second wala man 3k is equal to 2 sin t minus 3 cos t. बच्चों लोग agreed. बच्चों लोग agreed.
Yes, sir.
What will I
Squaring
get?
and adding. Squaring and adding.
3 into h minus 1 by 2. No. Do not do by 2 by 2.
Squaring and adding. Sir.
Earlier करे अपन एक बार याद है? 3
Yes, sir.
into h minus 1 and square this one, what you will get? 9 into बच्चे लोग, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions? What you will get here? 4 cos square d, 9 sin square d, 3 do 6, 6 to 12, 12 sin t cos t. Second wala 9k square equal to 4 sin square d. बोला मैम 9 cos square d
minus 12 sin cos.
cos t. Square and add, replace h and k by x and y. What does it gives you? 9 into 9y square 8 plus 9
13.
8 plus 9 17 नहीं होता.
Sir, 4 common no.
9 man. Sorry.
4 plus 9.
13. correct.
13 sir.
9 से डिवाइड करो क्या आएगा? In what form is this man? Remember? लोकस किसे सूचित करता है? लोकस किसे रिप्रेजेंट करता है? लोकस विल रिप्रेजेंट व्हाट? सर्कल. बच्चे लोग सेंटर. बच्चे लोग सेंटर. 1,0 रेडियस. Is there time for one problem or should I stop? Can I do one problem?
Yes, sir. One more problem.
Thank you. Same idea, squaring and adding. Locus of point of intersection of the lines
Sir,
क्या हुआ?
sir, how did you got x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, sir?
I explained on Tuesday and Monday, Tuesday notes देखो. I said compare these two.
Okay, sir. Okay. Got it, sir.
Monday's notes.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Same thing man, square and add. Square and add, you get the answer. Same as this one, square and add. What happens if you square and add first one?
So x square plus y square equals 5.
Who is that? Please mute your mic. Whoever is emanating those sounds, please mute your mic. Sound emanator, mute your mic. Tomorrow, if you finish your class early, log in fast man. Put a message in the group. Sir, class start karo karke. I will start off early. What will you get? Squaring first one. Squaring and
X square plus y square equal to 5.
adding. We obtain. Zayuruddin Adnan ने आंसर दिए सो
Muhammad Shoaib.
y square plus second one man m square x square is equal to I forgot one term. Generally this is the mistake you do. What is the term you I forgot? Plus
Plus 2ymx.
xy. Next one.
M square y square
y square
x square
plus x square minus 2m
2ym
xy 1 plus 4m square. बच्चे लोग what you will take common? Y
1 plus
square common.
1 plus m square.
बच्चों लोग, what you will take common?
Square into 1 plus m square.
These two gone. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 5m square.
5 common, 1 plus m square.
1 plus m square. बच्चों लोग,
Divide
can I
by 1.
cancel off 1 plus m square happily? Reason, you cannot cancel zeros. Since 1 plus m square is not equal to 0, what will I get? X square plus y square is equals to 5. Divided करेंगे. लोकस किसे सूचित करता है? सर्कल.
Circle.
Center 0,0,
Origin.
radius √5. Thank you. You can leave. Tomorrow log in early if possible. Message in the group.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Can I switch it off?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead. No problem. Take your time. No issues.